Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you my January update to the project Panopoly. So if you want to see all of the progress that I've made and what we're rolling in and rolling out, let's go ahead and get on into it. If you don't know anything about this project, it was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner here on YouTube. She's also very prominent over on Instagram. This is a game board inspired project pan, obviously a play on Monopoly. You begin by starting at start or wherever you left off if you're returning. You use your 2 dice, whether you use the one from the game or your own 2 dice, to determine how many spaces you move. She wanted you to start with 5 products in the beginning, but you can increase, decrease. There's really no hard and fast rules on that, on when you post. Really anything. Make the project your own. There is a challenge wheel for when you land on challenge spaces. It will give you challenges to complete. There's a random use wheel if you would like to use that to dictate the uses on the products you roll into the project. And that is really it. Anything else that you have questions on or anything, on the original game board page, if you scroll down, it explains prompts and things. Otherwise, you can always ask Jami directly, and she's really good about explaining prompts. I got one wrong in the very beginning, and we're good. So, originally this was go to jail. It shouldn't have been, but I've already done my due diligence and explained. If you want to know that whole spiel, you can go and watch the intro in the second update, because I'll leave the playlist listed down below. But this is for go to jail, which is finish a product, and this is the Lottie London blush in the shade Witchcraft. It was the Vampire Diaries collab. My goal is to finish it. We hit side pan though, which is what I was working on for the last month, is I did want to hit side pan. And we did that. So short-term goal achieved. Long-term goal, I feel like this is going to be in for the entire year of 2025. I very much wrongfully estimated how long this would take to finish. I used this 4 times in December to hit that side pan. So I am very happy about that, but I really do like this blush. I'm working on a million things. And now I'm working on even more because I've started more projects. So it just needs to get the love that it deserves. But I do really, really love that blush. Next, I had spun the challenge wheel, and I got a 50 times usage goal. And originally, so I did pick the Natasha Denona Berry Cheek Pop palette. I'm sorry that it's reflective. Originally, I had picked just this cream blush, but I think last month I had asked you guys and we had agreed that now I'm working on the entire trio. I have hit pan in the highlighter, which is amazing. I'm so very excited to say that. Look at that big juicy pan. I do have the entire trio on my face today. I think it's gorgeous. I do really, really love this. It makes me want to get the My Dream trio, but I don't need any more cream products in my collection, but it's so pretty, and this one is so good. I digress. I used it 15 times in December. I've already used it 3 times in January because I count if I use this, this, and this like I did today, that's 3 uses. So I have used it a total of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28 times. So we are over halfway done with our usage goal for this trio, which I am so very proud of. So this is obviously staying in, but I'm very happy with our progress on this product. The next product was for a cream eyeshadow. I think it was just cream product, And I picked an eyeshadow, or it was cream eyeshadow. I can't remember, to be honest. But I picked originally, no, it was cream eyeshadow, because originally I picked a gel glitter and I used it once and I said no. And last update, we went to this Cokie, well, not last update, in October. Dear Lord, I'm talking out my butt. We changed it over to this Cokie Polaris liquid eyeshadow because it is liquids and creams, same thing in my book. I used this once in December. It is beautiful. It's the Crystal Fusion eyeshadow in the shade Polaris. I'm not going to swatch it because it literally is the same color, but it's so pretty. I used it as like a lip gloss because I'm trying to be better about seeing products in my collection as more than just what they're supposed to be used for to get more use on them. This was gorgeous. It wasn't gritty. It was so smooth. It was so pretty. So I did use this just once. I have 2 out of my 30 uses. It's going to be in here for forever because I'm working on 1,000,000 single shadows is the issue. But it is so pretty. I did get a use on it, so it's not like it went unused. There is that. So, what do we have? You choose eye product. So for that, I brought in the About Face Aliens Are Real eyeshadow stick. I jumped right over this looking at my list. So it's the chartreuse color, which I love. This is one of my favorite colors. I think I would say I have like 3 colors, and this would be like my second favorite color. But this has a 30 use goal on it. I used it once in December. I have 6 uses, 6 out of 30. I have a lot of green products in projects. But the greens don't all go together because this is a specific kind of green. But I'm being careful. That's how much we have left of the shadow stick. It's a very beautiful shadow stick. I'm enjoying using it. I'm happy, again, it got a use in December. Also in December, I didn't do a lot of looks. It was Christmas, I was depressed, I got hurt, and it was a whole thing. So, but the next 2 items are rollouts. And I know what you're going to say, but Andy, this was a long haul item. So I got bronzer is what I landed on. So I picked this Viseart Bronze Noi bronzer. I had gotten this from BoxyCharm many moons ago. And the random use wheel picked long haul. So for that, I was like, I'm going to hit pan. I have used it 5, 10. I've used it 12 times in December, twice in January for 14 uses in the last 2 months for a total of 5, 10, 15. We've used it 19 times total. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's not very long haul. I have not hit pan. So now I know what you're thinking. Like, Andy, you haven't hit pan. How is this a rollout? Let me tell you how this is a rollout. If you didn't know, all Viseart products, at least to my knowledge, all Viseart products are magnetic and come out, by the way. So I might keep this packaging. I haven't decided. I have had to. I don't know if you can see the hard pan. So I've been working on the very center of this product. And I don't know, I feel like that's the best angle. If you can see that. I have scraped the top layer. I'm so sorry if you can hear that, like, I think it would be either a snow blower or something. We got snow today. But I have scraped this 3 times, and it'll work for 2 or 3 uses, and then it'll hard pan again. To be fair, BoxyCharm and Ipsy are notorious for sending old products. And I've had this for over a year. I just think this is an expired powder product. I have never had a product hard pan like this. Now, could I completely repress it and try again? Absolutely. But I have so many other bronzers in my collection, I don't really want to do that. So I would love your feedback. Do you want me to completely repress this and keep working on hitting pan once that would be accomplished? Or should I just declutter the bronzer? But either way, we're rolling in a product for this. But I would love your feedback on what you think I should do with the product. So, for the next item, we got the challenge wheel. And the challenge wheel told us to declutter an item. So, I do have a chopping block of items next to me, which is very much dwindling. I'm so proud of myself. I think you'll get a chopping block video sometime this month. If not, February for sure I have one coming. Because I've used a bunch of the chopping block items. But I decided to try my Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadows. So, we have, and I will swatch these for you because when I rolled in this prompt, I didn't know what I was putting in. I didn't know what I was doing. So I didn't swatch these because I didn't know. So this one's in the shade High Roller. And these are just cream shadows. And these were so ungodly dry. I rehydrated them with some mixing medium. So that's the shade High Roller. I love these glass pots. And then we have, this is the shade Socialite, which I like this one so much more. But even after being rehydrated, this one is so thick, and that one is so much worse. But those are the shades. And they're old, they're gross, they don't perform on the eyes. They need to go. So these are being decluttered, they're being thrown away. I thought about taking the product out of these, cleaning them out, and keeping the glass pots. Because you never know when depotting something, when you're gonna need a glass container, and like these are nice. So I might do that, but it would just be on how easy it is to clean these out. So I might try, because these are nice, heavy-duty glass pots. So might keep the pots, but the products inside are being decluttered. They are going bye-bye. So that is a prompt also done. So, we will be rolling in. We gotta finally flip the page. 2 new items. So for you guys, it'll be on the screen. For me, I'm doing it on my tablet. So, our roll. We have 5. So, let's go to the board. So, we were last on the challenge wheel. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I was not screen recording, so I had to go fix that. But for 5, we have colorful eyeshadow. Colorful eyeshadow. Okay. And now we're gonna go here to the random use wheel. And see how many uses we have to do on our colorful eyeshadow. Ooh, okay, 5 uses. we can do 5 uses on a colorful eyeshadow. Okay. So now we go back to the dice. And we got 2. So, oh, buddy. 1, 2. Lip balm. I don't know if you guys can see that there. We're at lip balm. So let me go. Lip balm. Very exciting. Not at all. To our random use wheel. How many uses on a lip balm? Oh, choose your use. Choose use. I'm going to do 10 uses. All right. I'm going to go pick those products and I'll be right back. All right, I got my 2 items. That actually was very quick. So for colorful eyeshadow, I mean, that one took me a second, but I'm going to go with this ZC. It's a liquid eyeshadow. You could use it as a liquid liner. It's got glitters in it, and you could use it as a liquid glitter. It's in the shade number 12. We got this originally in an ice cream beauty box. This is a silicone tip applicator. And I'm going to do a kind of big swatch so you can see it. I'm going to do 2 layers here. And it's got kind of chunky glitter in it, but as you can see, it's colorful. It's pink to a peach, plus it's got the glitter. I think it's really pretty. And 5 uses on it shouldn't take too long. I say that, but you never know. And then for lip balm, I just got this in my Ipsy bag. This is the Pixie by Petra Lip Glow in the shade Fleur. It's one of these like clicky? No, you twist. I mean, it is still a clicky, but you twist it. And yeah, this is the shade Fleur. It's a pink. These smell minty, but when I put it on the lips originally, it didn't feel plumping, and it doesn't say plumping anywhere on the product, or when it was in the packaging that it came with didn't say plumping. But I think 10 uses will let me know whether or not I want to keep this product as well, since it's new to my collection. But I think that would be an easy shade to just wear. Wear every day. To be fair, I am currently working on a lip balm in another project in a very similar color, but I've made so much progress on this, I think I can take a break and get 10 uses on that and just then go back to working on that one. So this will sit on my desk. I honestly think that will at least be a rollout for next month, which will be nice. It'll be nice if we get, an easy goal every month, at least one, so we can have a rollout. That would be wonderful. So that is going to do it for this month's update. I hope you enjoyed. Again, let me know what you think I should do about the Viseart bronzer. I'd love to know, just because I'm kind of on the fence about it. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.